AI.
AI, you learn
Everybody
AI.
using AI.
Everybody using AI, what you learn? Help you apply for grants. All right, well, so y'all got glasses on, so y'all in the front, what y'all learn? I want to tax strategy.
Same thing.
Same thing, what about you?
Grant writing with AI, how to utilize AI bots to do wholesale.
Okay.
Tax strategies, how to save for generational wealth.
Oh, all right. Oh, you gonna pick these glasses working. Oh, had some shades. Next time we get y'all shades with 3D visions on it. All right, listen. From hustle to strategy. That's what I'm gonna talk to y'all about. From going from a hustle mindset to a strategy mindset. From being employees, from being business owners, to truly operating like CEOs. Because every CEO has what? They got a strategy. Before they built the system, they came up with the strategy. Before they built the system, they had to have a business plan, something to show them the way. I'm Lola Slater, aka, no, my DBA is Miss Cashflow Properties. And you guys spit that DBA, you know, Miss Cashflow Properties is the DBA. And also my brand name. I'm from Washington, D.C., very humble beginnings. All right, I came from a family of hustlers. My mom was a hustler, my dad was a hustler, my grandfather was a hustler. He ran numbers like Malcolm X and them, right? They grew from D.C. How many of y'all come from humble beginnings? How many of y'all know how to hustle? How many of y'all inherited hustle? So you mean we in a room full of people that got generational hustle? Say it again. We're in a room full of people that got generational hustle, not generational wealth. So when I hear us talk about the tax strategies and how right now there's a lot of benefits to who and for who, billionaires, when I look in the mirror, I'm like, that don't apply to me yet. Because I was transferred generational hustle, not generational wealth. So for you guys to get from transferring generational hustle to generational wealth, we got to get a strategy. All right, so that's what we're going to talk about. Y'all locked in? Yes. So far, I had some slides, but you know, I got to keep coming over here. So I want y'all to repeat after me, because this is something that my daddy told me. He was an amazing entrepreneur, business owner, club owner, taxi driver. He was just it, right? He taught me that it's not about what you can get, it's about what you can keep. You heard that before? You know my daddy? I'm about to finish my sentence. You may be your brother, I don't know. Say it with me. It's not about what you can get. It's about what you can keep. Which is why we're not here talking to you about only how to build. Because if you build it and sell it, what are you left with?
Nothing. A little bit of money.
Some cash. He was listening. He's like, I'm having a big tax bill. So everything you just heard about 1031 exchange and saving on your taxes, it doesn't apply if you build it and sell it. If you flip it. How many of y'all know about flipping? I'm looking at the room. I was on Instagram last night. See, I was in the bed, but I was seeing y'all in the store. I was like, let me see who out here. Who was outside? I know my new audience. I want let me see. Right? So we want to get from hustle and flipping to strategy and holding. So that's all we need, a business plan. You guys have to understand how to operate a business day to day. How many people own a business currently? How many of you got a storefront business? So what's your business?
My name is Wally Concepts Construction. I have my own storefront, warehouse also.
Okay. Who else raised their hand? Come on, get up.
Private car rental business.
Private car rental business? Yes.
Well, real estate broker.
Real estate broker? Okay.
Restaurants.
Restaurants?
Barbershop.
And barbershop. Okay. So we got some people getting up every day, going inside their brick and mortar, right? Operating a business. Everybody else that was online business, but you in it every day. Yes?
Yeah.
You know, something like that. Maybe you figuring it out, right? All right. So you guys, I've been able to purchase over $2 million in real estate using something called business credit. I didn't have a savings. I didn't have no money. Like I told you, I didn't inherit generational wealth, right? Both my parents passed away. They didn't even have life insurance. I paid everything out of pocket. So I had to learn this credit game, and I had to learn how to be able to what? Buy did, right? So you guys are going to get positioned later on today, think they know, how to actually access some capital so y'all can start building and buying right away, right? So I want to talk to y'all about 3 ways to build or to operate your businesses. How many of you heard of Airbnb? How about midterm rental or rent to travel nurses? Section 8. What'd you say right here? Say it again.
No, so I do travel.
You do travel, oh, so you currently have a rental. Okay, awesome. Who else already got a rental property? 2, 3, 4. Awesome. Okay, how'd you acquire it?
Credit.
Did you
Oh,
build it?
wait, I'm sorry, I got one for Airbnb, I'm so sorry.
Huh?
I got an apartment to do Airbnb, you said run.
Oh, but, okay, you got an apartment to do Airbnb. How about you? Who raised your hand behind? Which one of y'all over here raised your hand? Who got an Airbnb? Go ahead.
What? I
Huh?
thought you were saying a rental like.
No, who currently operates an Airbnb?
Oh.
You do. Alright, when, did you buy it? Did you build it? Did you rent it from, did you get it through arbitrage, through an apartment community? How did you set up your Airbnb?
I just applied and.
So you got an apartment, okay. How about, who do travel nurses? Did I hear midterm rental? That's you. How did you acquire, how are you operating your travel nurse business? Did you buy the building? I mean, the unit? Did you,
Build it
you built it?
in Florida, built them up, and I built 2 by the beach.
Okay.
And basically, you find, what I did, I find areas that's close to the hospital and resort like, that they'll like. And I got a contract or agreement with the hospital, so whenever nurses come in, they'll come refer them to me.
Awesome. How about long-term rental? Does anyone have any long-term rentals in here? Do you do market rent or is it guaranteed rent?
Market rent.
Market rent? Alright, awesome. So y'all in here like what? Right? So I asked this first gentleman, and I did pick you, I asked him a question. How did he acquire his unit? Right? How did he acquire his property? Okay? And it was like that language. So the first thing we're gonna talk about is acquisition. You guys you're here to learn how to build to rent. So your acquisition is going to be building. Okay? Mike is going to teach you how to what? Build your property. And those of you who want to apply the strategies that Mario just went over about tax savings, you're going to hold it. How many of you feel like you want to sell it because you want a big lump sum of money? And be honest. It's okay. Raise your hand high. Y'all can let each other see.
I'm a tell
It's okay, yeah. We gotta have a real conversation because I want to see the CEOs. I want to see who I'm talking to. Thank you. Right?
I'm gonna sell it to myself though.
You want to say, ooh, what's your name?
Dante.
Dante, listen, like, there's more room I had you on the stage with me. Listen, Dante said he wanted to sell it to himself. Right? That's called refinancing. Y'all, it's a myth that if you build something that you can't take any of the equity out. You can pull it out. We want to build it to rent it. So you want to build it, then you're going to refinance it, and you're going to get a lump sum of money. The bank going to keep some equity in there, some money in there. So you're going to win 2 ways. You're going to get a lump sum of money, and then the rest we're going to keep inside, the rest of the equity we're going to keep inside the property because we want to have something to pass down, not just generational hustle. We want to pass down generational wealth. If you sell it and you pass it there tomorrow and all you got is cash left, can we agree that if your family hasn't learned any skills, if you ain't learned the skills to hold it, they don't got the skills to hold it, the money gonna be gone. The money gonna be gone. Because we don't have generational skills being passed down. Right? So you can do both. You can get generational wealth and you can cash flow. We're gonna build it, we're gonna sell it to ourselves. That word is called refinance. You're going to take some of the money out and hold it. Now you still got a property, and now you're going to have to cash flow it. And that's when your strategy kicks in. Right? Everybody take out your phones. Everybody go to investordnatool.com. 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 I want to help y'all learn something about yourselves today. Right? A lot of times we can see things and they look good, they look flashy. Like, how many of you thought, I want to get an Airbnb? Oh, Airbnb sound good. How many of y'all want to do Airbnb? How many people think you want to do Airbnb? Couple of people here. How many of y'all think y'all want to do Section 8? Rent to Section 8 things. Okay. You want to do Section 8? Alright, how many of y'all think y'all wanna rent the travel nurses the way the gentleman just went over? Okay, we about to find out if y'all lying or not. Everybody got investor DNA tool pulled up?
No?
You said two, right?
Tool. Yeah, singular, not plural.
Investor D.
Cause you think you wanna do it, but identifying the type of investor you are is like identifying the type of partner you are in a relationship. You gotta have the tools, right, to manage that relationship, just like you gotta have the tools to manage that property. So you may think you want a short-term rental, but if I ask you, would you work at a hotel, and you say no, see, I had an emergency at my hotel before I came here. I need this right now. I got somewhere to be. 5-7 minutes passed, I'm calling again. I'm so sorry, man, they didn't come. No, tell them hurry up. I called again. Ma'am, just hold on, I'm gonna call I'm about to see if they're on the elevator yet. Hold on, don't hang up. See, she's in the hospitality industry. She understands that who I'm staying there, if I got an emergency, I want it now, care to me now. If you don't, I'm calling management. I'm probably gonna be the one writing a letter. That's hospitality. Do you know when you're operating a short-term rental that you're in hospitality? No. Oh, you do now? So if that's not your mindset, then you shouldn't want to operate a short-term rental. That shouldn't be what you want to do, because you don't even have an investor DNA type to manage that short-term rental. Y'all got the two? Who answering questions already? You like you answering in the front. Go ahead. Whoever answering questions, I'm gonna take one person because that's what we're gonna have time to do. Go ahead and answer no questions. Read me your first. What question you want right here? Tell me your name again. Jamaz.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me what question you want.
I'm on how interested are you?
Say it loud so they can hear you.
How interested are you in hands-on guest interaction and hospitality?
He said the question is, how interested are you in hands-on what? Guest
Guest interactions.
interactions. What was I just describing?
Hands-on.
A hands-on guest interaction. What's your answer for that?
I'm very interested. I enjoy hosting and guest services.
He's made for hospitality, right? Keep on going. Who wanted a different question? Who wanted a different question?
Success in real estate investing means. Oh, you want me to read that?
What's your answer?
Shit, I haven't got to this question.
All right, go ahead. Come on, do it together. Give us your choices. Read it out loud.
Replacing my income with rental cash flow, building generational wealth for my family, having accessible capital when opportunities arise, maximizing net worth over decades, getting the best deal by buying at the right time.
Think about your answer, then tell us.